that? So let's introduce the new ProPilot. So we have the ProPilot Timer GMT. This is the new evolution of the ProPilot family. So this year we've introduced the black dial on a 44mm case, redesign on the crown. Also now with the bidirectional bezel for the timer function. You'll notice the small second counter at 9 o'clock that's been traditionally on this model, your date aperture at 3 o'clock, and your GMT, instead of having the yellow hand, now has the red hand. One of the very cool features about this watch is the inclusion of the lift clasp on the metal bracelet. Prior to this execution, we had the push release that you found across a few families like the Motorsport collection. Now, finally, we have the lift clasp on the stainless steel. This watch will also be available on 2 other strap executions. There's going to be a brown leather strap and a textile strap made out of Ventile, which is a material used by the Royal British Air Force. It is a water wicking material made in Switzerland. You should be looking at these watches to drop about August, and retail you're going to be looking at $3,300 on the straps, and as you see it here, $3,550. So it's a whole lot of watch, a little bit more brushed finish, definitely a sporty look, and definitely a great inclusion of the ProPilot family.